Square root of 10 plus square root of 15 plus 5 upon square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 6 plus square root of 10 plus 2. Now square root of 10, we can write it as 5 times 2 under square root plus 15 as 5 times 3 under square root plus 5 we can write it as square root of 5 square or square root of 5 times square root of 5. 5 times 2 under square root, this we can also write it as square root of 5 times square root of 2, because a times b under square root, we can write it as square root of a times square root of b. So reducing one step, we can write it as square root of 5 times square root of 3 upon square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 6 as square root of 3 times square root of 2 plus square root of 10 as square root of 2 times square root of 5 plus 2 we can write it as square root of 2 times square root of 2, because square root of a number when squared, we can cancel the square root with the square, so it becomes the number itself. So 2 we can write it as square root of 2 square, same as we have written 5 as square root of 5 square. Now in the numerator we can take square root of 5 as common and write square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 upon here square root of 2, square root of 3 and square root of 5, if we take them together, square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 bracket, and this side we can take square root of 2 as common, so write square root of 2 bracket square root of 3 plus square root of 5 plus square root of 2. Now these two terms are similar, we can rearrange it and write it as square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5. Now we can take these two as common, so write square root of 5 times square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5 upon, we can write 1 here. So first factor we have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5, and second factor is 1 plus square root of 2. Now we can cancel this and this, both are same. So now we have square root of 5 upon 1 plus square root of 2. Now let's rationalize the denominator. For that we multiply and divide it by 1 minus square root of 2, and now this is square root of 5 times 1 minus square root of 2 upon, this is in the terms of differences of square, a plus b times a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. We can cancel this square root with this square, so this is square root of 5 minus square root of 10 upon minus 1. If you multiply and divide it by minus 1, so this becomes minus minus plus, and the numerator becomes plus 10, so we can write square root of 10 minus square root of 5. So this is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.